What's up guys, Diana here. I'm just gonna make a video on my tow hook since you guys keep commenting on how I did it. Honestly, I don't even know how to explain it, but I'll try my best. Basically, if you take the tow cap off, which is right here, there's nothing back there for you to screw the tow hook on. So what I did was I just took the tow cap off and I drilled through the tow cap and I put my tow hook in. After I did that, I put Gorilla Glue around here completely to secure it. And then I put Gorilla Glue around here when I put my tow cap back on. And that's it, easy. We have some friends here. What's up, dude? You wanna be in my video? You brought all your other friends too? All right, back to the tow hook. Well, that's basically what I did. I'm gonna attach some photos so you guys can see, but I cannot take it off. It's literally on there for good. So if I sell the car and the next person wants to take it off, they're literally gonna have to force it off and get a new tow cap. Hopefully when you guys see the pics, you can see what I did and it makes sense. But yeah, it's a dumb way, but it works. Oh well. All right, thanks for watching.